Stop. What's up, guys? Welcome back. You guys may have noticed there has been a channel rebranding. Yes, I rebranded the channel. It was never supposed to be S55E. I got the name S55E from Instagram and I just put it on the channel and started to roll with it. But the channel name was always supposed to be Kyngcoupe or King of Coupes or, you know, whatever it is. But the name was on a private account. I would have to move that name off the private account and put it, you know, do all of that stuff. And I just wanted to start. So I went on Instagram. Instagram gave me BMW S55E, took the S55E, put it on YouTube, and here we are. That being said, let's get into the video. Your battery. If you have a modern BMW, you're gonna have to register your battery. If you change the battery is gonna probably run you close to $200. So, gone are the days of, I think, using a laptop and, you know, some program to like hook it up to an OBD2, USB and all that type of stuff. It's a bit different now. You can use BlueDriver, iCarly. Is it iCarly? That's a show, isn't it? Carly. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, you can use that to register your battery. So, I'm gonna buy a battery. Buy said battery, hook it up, and then we're gonna register the battery. If not, the battery could, like, it's gonna die. The battery's gonna die in no time too. Like, I made that mistake and the battery with like less than a year started dying. And it's only because if you don't register the battery, the car it's just like, it doesn't know where to send the power. Like, hey, let me send power to the lights, or hey, let me send power this way, that. It's just a walk, it's just like a big ass computer in a box, all right, that can drive. Or, how did I say that? Yeah, box on wheels, a computer box on wheels. Yeah, so I'm gonna run to the store, pick up a battery, then install it, and then we'll get into registering the battery. It's pretty simple. You guys can handle it. Hello. All right, guys, like I said, I've got the battery. Let's open the trunk. Crash. And like I said, this battery did cost me around like close to $200, so just be prepared. Just be prepared. Out of this compartment, take this off, and what you're gonna want to do is get yourself a deep socket wrench, 10 millimeter. As you can see here, I'm gonna let go of the negative. I'm gonna take off the positive. You also have to remove this bracket. There is a venting hose. I think some of the batteries come with and some don't. I think this one has it might have a vent hole. And other than that, that's about it. Just remove this bracket. And let me see. Oh, that's about it. I think if you look down on the inside, let me see if I can get this in there. Can you see? Right in there. We gotta loosen that up. That's gonna let the battery, that stops the battery from moving left and right. Keeps it steady. All right, let's get to work.
That's it, new battery is in. Everything is hooked up. Let's go to the front and register the battery. All right, so here we are, guys. What I'm gonna use is BlueDriver. You can pick this up at Amazon. When you can, open up this OBD2, plug it in, put the engine on accessory mode, and open up the app. All right, let's see if this will focus. Go into service. Right there, register battery. All right, there's no going back once you register the battery. That is it, register battery. My bad, guys. You have to hold the button down. Hold it down. Hold it down. And that's it. Continue. Just turn the ignition off for about 5 seconds. Then back on. Press OK. Okay, hold on. Okay, so next step, turn off the ignition for about 5 seconds, turn it back on, and then press OK. It's off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then press OK. You know you love that new battery. Your battery registration has completed successfully. All right, that about does it, guys, man. Easy peasy. See you in the next CZ. Let me stop. Tired, bro. Oh, you guys are gonna get all this full ADHD, every single last bit of it later.